Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. The Hyundai i20N made its launching in October 2020. The year which brought the world the coronavirus additionally offered us the small warm hatch from South Korea as a rival for tried and tested designs in the section like the Volkswagen Polo GTi and also Ford Carnival ST. There's no future for the latter past 2023, however the i20N will live to see a renovation, and currently we understand when the refresh is due. Hyundai's Australian department recently released a video clip featuring the firm's executive technical consultant, Albert Bierman, that addressed inquiries from fans during the 2022 Hyundai N event at the Bend Motorsport Park. Around the 10th minute of the video clip on top of this web page, Bierman was asked whether a renovation for the i20N is planned. He offered a positive answer, additionally announcing a launching for this summertime. On the technological side, you do not need to be worried. It is still as crazy as it is, Bierman stated. Not much else yet confirmation is known about the rejuvenated i20N, however. In its current type, the mini hot hatch has a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a peak output of 204 horsepower, 152 kilowatts, as well as 202 pound-feet, 275 newton-meters, of torque. A 6-speed manual transmission sends that power to the front wheels for a 0 to 62 miles per hr, 100 kilometers per hr acceleration in 6.7 seconds. The Rapid i20 includes a lot more than just an extra powerful engine, however. The chassis, for instance, is retuned compared to the routine i20 hatch for better drivability as well as handling. New joints, springs, as well as shock absorbers make the suspension stiffer as well as more stable in edges. Bigger brake discs belong to the modified efficiency brake system. Now, however, we do not know what will change with the facelift variation. We question there will be a new engine, as this would certainly be as well huge of an investment for such a niche design. Our company believes there will be primarily small visual tweaks, possibly integrated with new efficiency upgrades for the suspension. Thank you for watching.